The evolution of French tanks during World War I is a dramatic story of transformation, moving rapidly from catastrophic failure to revolutionary future. When France first deployed its own tanks in 1917, the results were disastrous. The initial models, the Schneider CA1 and the cumbersome Saint-Chamond, were essentially armored boxes built on tractor chassis. They were mechanically unreliable, slow, and poorly designed for the trench-filled battlefields. The Saint-Chamond, with its long overhangs, was particularly prone to getting stuck. Their debut during the Nivelle offensive was a bloody failure with heavy losses, nearly convincing the French High Command to abandon the tank concept entirely. However, from this failure rose one of the most important designs in military history, the Renault FT. Introduced in 1917 and deployed in force by 1918, the FT was light, cheap to produce, and featured a revolutionary layout. It was the first production tank with its engine in the back, the driver in the front, and a fully 360-degree rotating turret on top. This design was so effective that it became the blueprint for almost every single tank that followed, defining the future of armored warfare. In just 2 years, France went from a failed experiment to creating the world's first modern tank.